We'll guide you through how to delete files in Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of your files and folders. Navigate to the file or folder you want to delete. Hover your cursor over the item, and you'll see a checkbox appear to the left. Click the checkbox to select the file or folder. After selecting, look at the top of the page for a trash can icon labeled Delete. Click on it to remove the selected item. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete again to confirm. The file will be moved to the Deleted Files section, where it will be kept for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you want to permanently delete it immediately, go to the Deleted Files section from the left sidebar. Find the file you just deleted, hover over it, and click the checkbox. Then click the Permanently Delete button at the top. Confirm the action when prompted. Now, your file is permanently gone from Dropbox. This process can help keep your Dropbox organized and free up space. Remember, once a file is permanently deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you truly want it gone. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.